Underdog pero lumaban. Mala David versus Goliath na matchup.
Ayaw naman depensahan eh. Kailangan lang magsipag eh. Sarili nyo lang yung kalaban nyo.
Na-challenge niya ang defending champion ng MPBL na Abra Solid North Weavers sa bagong team ng Quezon City. Karamihan sa mga to, grassroots barangay to Panalay versus sa star-studded roster ng Abra. Nandyan ba rin Dave Ildefonso, Encho Serrano, Drex De Los Reyes, Tucker Molina, Nico Elorde, and the rest of the Abra squad. Pero hindi matitinag itong mga boys ng Quezon City Black Bulls. Walang sinisino, laban kung laban. Kahit na ang kalaban nila ay ang defending champs, naglalakihan at naggagalingan ng mga players ng Abra ay sinisipagan ng mga QC boys ang depensa at diskarte.
But good defense there. The MVP.
Nakakasabay naman dito sa depensa ang QC Black Bulls at nakakastop sila ng opensa ng Abra.
Dave attacking and he was fouled there. Argument by Coach Davey. They can stop. Napipigilan naman nila ang Abra. Ito ng Abra. That was a travel ref. Alfonso being guarded here. And
pagdating naman sa opensa ay hindi pa huhuli itong underdog team. They have scorers like Patrick Buena, MJ Hoson, Jake Agoncillo, Kenz Jokno at Gab Salazar. They also have help sa mga veterans na Panalay players like Jeremy Mahinay and the rest of the QC squad.
pass there. What a bomb. No, we will not get it, but Jeremy Mahinay is there. Yes, a two.
They also rely their offense sa sistema ni Coach JB Elaya, which is frankly has a good system pagdating sa Pro Ball.
This time, Salazar. Gab Salazar gets it.
When it comes naman sa mga broken play at skills to skills ay lumalaban pa rito mga players ng QC.
They give it to Jake. Jake with a fake. He gets it and one. They give it up inside floater. And he recovers it. Joshua Roque will try a three ball. Grab his defender. Roque looking for someone to pass, so they give it inside to Murillo with a nice ball movement.
Sayang nga lang, medyo late na nagising ang Quezon City sa opensa kundi pa dahil sa sermon ni Coach JB sa dugout.
Hindi pwede tayo. Pasok eh. Pag-aantay ka pa ng big man. Pinagbabawalan mo kayo tumira. Para kumpiyansa naman sa sarili. Wala nang pag-graba na bawal tumira sa inyo yung pag-libre. Pero kung ganyan yung ilalaro nyo, hanggang dulo, wala to. Hindi tayo nanalo. Wala tayong chance. Sarili nyo lang yung kalaban nyo. Ayaw naman depensahan eh. Kailangan lang magsipag eh. Nagkakaintindihan. Ikaw tayo.
And dito nga nabuhayan ng mga boys ng QC. Kumamada ang mga homegrown dito tulad nila Pat Buena, Gab Salazar, and mga veterano ng Gardner College like Kenz Jokno at saka MJ Hoson.
MJ Hoson, lumipit. Looking for who? What a nice swimmers there by Gab Salazar. Kenz Jokno. Jokno attacking, gets a floater. Grabe naman yung bitaw na yun. What a great inbound play there. Quezon City getting a break here. Gets Jokno using the screen, pulls up, he gets it. And the Quezon City will try. Oh! To cut down the lead. Jokno again, sidesteps.
But it's gonna be too late para sa QC Black Bulls. The experience ng isang championship team would eventually take over sa game na ito and will eventually take the win. Ganun pa man, it's not a bad game para sa ating underdogs. Ending score ay 88-73. Hindi naman masyadong natambakan given na young team ito laban sa isang stock roster at defending champion.